Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to another Carib Fusion video. So I think today or yesterday Alkaline dropped his new clothing line ahead of schedule, his Vendetta line. I think it was due out for 2017. He actually dropped it a little bit earlier. And this is, I guess, one of the first things that we've seen since the whole thing died down with his song versus Vibes Cartel. So it's actually quite nice to see him come out and do something else. And I know a lot of people are going to say, well, yeah, he's doing a clothing line. It's not unique to him. Of course, it's not unique to him. Everyone in the music industry seems to be doing that now. But it's nice to see the progress and seeing that actually he's adding some more strings to his bow, which I would encourage most artists to go ahead and do that. So his website, Alkaline Music, has all the pricing and so forth. I went on there, had a look. There's not really much on there. There's a couple of tops on there for ladies, for men, a hoodie and some jumpsuits, and the prices are pretty steep, I must say. It's very expensive, and if we're going with the claim that most of his fans are really young, I don't know if they'll be able to afford it, but that's just kind of my thought on it. But again, it's really nice to see. I hope that he adds more things to the line, so it's not just the graphic tees that he has, but actually something else, kind of make it into Jay-Z-esque type material. Who knows? But it's actually quite nice to see the progress. So that is it from me. I'm really not going to spend too much time on this. Just wanted to put it out there so people know what's going on with the artist. All right then, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.